Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today, I would like to highlight to you GetInvoice. And I would say it is a really great tool. It will automate your invoice processing. Imagine you're a solopreneur or you run a business and you would need to consolidate all the invoices, all the payments for different kinds of services. You can have your HubSpot subscription, GitHub subscription, Loom for your desktop recordings to share with your team. These payments can pile up, and for tax purposes, you would need to collect that quarterly or yearly, depending on your location. And maybe if you buy something for your business like furniture, you can make that amount not taxable. So GetInvoice will automatically collect all the invoices from the connected sources. For example, here we can see different kinds of emails connected. You can get those from Gmail, Outlook, and custom email servers. It can get invoices from web portals like Amazon or Google Ads, and it can upload the data to Google Drive, QuickBooks, or Google Sheets. You can track your expenses with this service. And very important feature, you can reconcile invoices when you connect your bank account. Then GetInvoice can match the uploaded or found invoices with the bank transactions. It will differentiate different vendors. So yeah, the plan is pretty straightforward. Just take a look at the number of invoices monthly that you need. And yeah, that's it. This is a Spanish-based company founded in Barcelona. So what else do we have here? Just let's take a look at the website. Yep, as I mentioned, you just connect your account and get invoices discovered automatically from defined inbox. And it doesn't matter if the invoice was sent in a PDF or image or in the body of email. So the tool will handle that. So you won't need to forward emails, or when you need to make a tax declaration once a year, for example, to sit and find all the invoices and spend hours on that. You can have GetInvoice do that job for you. You can find past invoices using the scan feature. You can send paper receipts as an image to Telegram or WhatsApp bot, and the tool will process those. And with Chrome extension, you can get invoices from sites like Amazon, Adobe, Notion, and others. And more importantly, you can forward those invoices anywhere. You can connect your accounting software like QuickBooks or store those in Google Sheets, for example. Just to give you an idea, I have forwarded one invoice to this Crowded Reviews Gmail account. Here's my purchase from IKEA. So you will be able to view that information. And I've connected Google Sheets. So that exactly invoice was exported to this particular Google Sheet. And yeah, as I mentioned before, you can install Chrome extension and get the information from Amazon, Meta, AliExpress, Stripe, and ChatGPT. So yeah, this is a pretty straightforward tool which can connect to Google Drive, Gmail, any other email provider. It can store information in Google Sheets and other services like QuickBooks. It even can connect to SAP. It can get invoices from Telegram as images. Yeah, I think this is a no-brainer if you're running a small business, small to medium business. This tool can save you a lot of time in organizing your invoices. To get this tool, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.